Nilinaw ng palasyo na nananatiling buo at matatag ang administration party. Ito'y sa kabila ng ilang mga usapin kaugnay ng 2016 national elections. Ang ulat mula kay Elena Luna.
Itinanggi ng palasyo na nahahati ang Liberal Party dahil sa pagpili ng magiging standard bearer ng partido, kung si DILG o sa Senador Grace Poe. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, nananatiling buo ang Partido Liberal at susuportahan ng mga miyembro nito ang magiging desisyon ng Pangulo sa 2016 elections.
As far as the LP cabinet members I've spoken to, there is no concern as to a breakup. The President remains firmly on the top leadership in control of the Liberal Party. There are certain quarters outside of LP who would like to see the breakup of LP, naturally. But as far as the LP leaders are concerned, they are solidly behind the President, and they will stand by the decision of the President when the time comes as to who he will endorse as a presidential standard bearer.
Isang buwan na lamang ang hinihintay bago ihayag ng Pangulo ang i-endorsong kandidato bilang Pangulo. Sinabi ng palasyo na mahalaga sa Pangulo na ang kandidatong ito ay magpapatuloy ng mga reformang nasimulan sa tuwid na daan.
The President planted so many reforms. So has planted the seeds of reform. And we know for a fact that for any reforms to take root deeply, it takes at least 10 years. So we need to see the continuous progress of Daang Matuwid. Dahil lahat ng nilagay na reform ng ating Pangulo, maganda yan kung may pagpapatuloy ng isang kandidato na who has the same mind as the President in pushing forward the reforms of Daang Matuwid. Now, if you have two very strong candidates for the President and Vice President, could you imagine an 18-year governance for the country that provides so much stability, one that was started by President Aquino?
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.